friends, Running Kimono here, and today's video, it is kind of all over the place, but just hang with me because there is a really big lesson between the lines, and this happened to me, moi, the lady that puts together matchups. It can even happen to anyone. It's a simple story of when you go to a store and you don't get the best customer service and you're just fed lines of, I work here and this is how it is. And you either agree with me or you leave. Said it a nicer way, but that was the gist of what I was told. So, as many of you know, I've made videos in the past about Costco. I used to throw up hauls on Instagram, but last spring I gave it up. Where my club is located to where I live, the drive is way too much. So last spring I decided that was it. But I was on an executive membership, which is a top tier membership. You have to pay to shop there too. I mean, I'm not doing that anymore. But Costco mailed me a check saying, hey, this is what you spent in January, February, March. And it was like $40. It wasn't 58. And they were like, you can use this in one of our clubs, get your membership updated. And I just thought to myself, I'm like, no, because the most basic membership at their store is $60. So I get a $40 check for a $60 membership. So I pay an extra $20 for what? No, I'm not doing this. And I can't afford the drive. It's just way too much. The cost of my time is what we're looking at. And I don't have time to mess around with this anymore. I love their food. I just mathematically can't make this work. So, basically, I thought it would be smart to call the club that I was going to shop at, talk to somebody in customer service and say, hey, I have this weird check. What do I do with it? It's for $41. And the lady I spoke to, she's like, no, you can spend that here because you've earned it. I got her name down because this was odd. She's like, just come through a regular cash register and we'll take care of you. Ask for me by name and I will come down and approve this. I'm like, okay, this seems easy enough. So I went on a busy day, grabbed 3 little items, and I got my merry little butt to a regular lane. And then one of the people that like expedite, it's kind of like a floor lead sort of a thing. He came over and then he asked me to leave the lane and to grab my items and that he would take care of me at a different lane. Of course, I comply, and I think that for $41, I'm not getting like a $600 haul without a Costco membership. I thought this would be pretty easy and straightforward. He takes off to go talk to the lady in the head office about this mysterious $41 check, comes back and informs me that unless I have a membership, I can't buy the food. Hard and fast rule, and that's how it is. And I just looked at him. I'm like, there's no way around this. And he's like, no, unless you want to sign up for the $60 membership, use this check and then go to your credit card and then cancel your membership. And then just say you made a mistake and then you can get your money back. Dave Ramsey person, I don't have that option to do that. And it's also kind of like signing up for something and then just canceling. I'm not going to do that because I know that there's probably something in the fine print where I'm going to get I'm going to have to pay for the membership. And I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. I don't want a membership for the 17,000th time I said that. And so this guy's like, sorry, you're out of luck. You can't use that here. And so then I thought to myself, I'm walking to my car without my stuff. Busy store, busy day. I'm not coming back. So I decided to call head office, their 1-800 number. Spoke to a really nice lady. She had actually talked to a couple managers too because it was such a weird transaction that you're trying to shop at Costco without a membership. And they've really cracked down on people not shopping without their memberships. So she told me to go to customer service, ask them to take that check and to make it into a gift card, and I could use the gift card online. And I'm like, okay, that's easy enough. I went and did that. And then I met another lady at Costco and she was really, really good. If I was ever going to sign up again to shop there, it was because of this one employee. She was like special forces. And I used to shop quite a bit, guys. Couple photos of my hauls. Like I wasn't there just buying 2 items. And for the $41, I spent just under $2,000 the beginning of the year on supplies and food and kitty litter and whatever. That's a lot of money on food. So anyhow, this lady was fantastic. And she just told me, she's like, hey, I'm going to make this into a gift card for you. And she explained you can either go get gas right now or you can go through our store and get like $40 of groceries and done. And she's like, go through a regular register, use my name, and they actually had to turnkey to use just the gift card. If you are there just trying to do that, TikTok showed me how to do that, they'll flat out say no. But if it's some special circumstance like this, they actually turnkey the register so it'll scan. Interesting. Anywho, my friend showed up again, the one that told me 20 minutes prior that it was impossible. I'd have to sign up for the $60 thing, and this scanned. And as I was leaving the store, I went back to customer service to thank my new friend there and said, hey, you got to tell so and so that this is a possibility. I think he knew it. He just didn't want to have to deal with it, or he must have thought I was crazy not to sign up for another $60 membership. But I don't need to explain my life story of why I don't want to shop there. It's just a personal thing. And it's just a weird thing, guys. Sometimes, as a shopper, you get told one thing, and because a employee works there, they just want to just steamroller you and say, well, this is how it is. And sometimes, as an extreme couponers, we don't play by the same rules. We'll figure out through head office or somebody else, really, something that you've earned you should be able to use. You just don't walk away from $41 right now in this economy. A lot of you might disagree with me, but I'm happy they made it right. And what a transaction. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.